Salman Khan was born into a prominent family of Bollywood on 27 December 1965 in Indore, Madhya Pradesh, India. He did his elementary schooling from SC India School and went to ST Stanislaus High School, Bandra, Mumbai to complete his secondary schooling. Khan enrolled himself in ST Xavier College, Mumbai to complete his graduation but dropped his studies as he wanted to pursue his acting talent. He, along with his friends Sajid Khan and Chunky Pandey, learned acting from Daisy Irani's Acting Institute. Interestingly, Salman has also worked as a model before becoming a successful actor. His father, Salim Khan, wanted him to become a cricketer, but he wanted to become a writer just like his father. He has even written scripts for movies like Veer and Chandramukhi. In fact, the storyline of the movie Baghi was Salman's idea, and he has also been credited for the same in the movie. Apart from his contributions to the film industry, he also owns a charitable group called Being Human Foundation, which emphasizes on health care and education of people. All the money generated from the sale of watches, designs, Being Human t-shirts and his paintings go to foundation. Physical appearance. Having brown eyes and black hair, Salman Khan is a strongly built man with a chest measuring 45 inches waist, measuring 35 inches and biceps that measure 17 inches. He is approximately 5 feet tall and weighs 75 kg. Family. Salman Khan hails from the Sunni sect. He identifies himself as both Hindu as well as Muslim, due to the fact that his father is a Muslim and his mother is a Hindu. He is the son of screenwriter Salim Khan, who wrote the scripts of yesteryear's super hits like Diwar, Sholay and Dawn. His mother is Shushila Charak, who later changed her name to Salma Khan. The actress Helen is Salman's stepmother. Salman Khan is a brother to Arbaz Khan and Sohail Khan. He also has two sisters named Alvira and Arpita. Salman Khan's with his sibling Thu Bhaijan is not yet married. However, his love life has always been the talk of the town. The first lady that Salman ever wanted to settle down with was Sangeeta Bijlani. They even planned to tie a knot in the year 1994, but things didn't go as planned and they both drifted apart. He met Aishwarya Rai on the sets of Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam. The duo dated each other from 1999-2002 and then finally parted their ways owing to Salman's endless tantrums. Next, Salman lost his heart to Katrina Kaif. It quits in 2009. Career. After taking his training from Daisy Irani's acting school, Khan went on to make a career in the field of acting. He worked as a model in his beginning days in the industry. Then in 1988, Salman made his debut as a supporting actor in the film Biwi Ho To Aise, where his voice was dubbed. Salman worked very hard during his struggling days. He never used his father's name to influence the producers, rather gave auditions to get the roles. After much of a struggle, Khan bagged his first leading role in the Bollywood romantic family drama Maine Pyar Kiya, which was one of the India's highest grossing films at that time. The movie also earned him his first nomination for Best Actor Filmfare. Unfortunately, he could not win the award. The actor then appeared in Baghi, which was a commercial success, followed by some average movies like Patthar Ke Phool, Sanam Bewafa and Qurban. Khan was the first Bollywood actor to feature in a Hollywood film and made his debut with Marigold, an adventure in India. He has also launched his production companies under the name Salman Khan Being Human Production and Salman Khan Films. His first produced film under the banner SKF was Dr. KB. It was a Canadian movie that became the second highest grossing film in Canada. The actor has also hosted various TV reality shows like Das Ka Dam and Bigg Boss. Presently, Salman is one of the highest paid actors in Bollywood and is the only actor to have had 12 back-to-back 100 crore plus films. His 100 crore films include Wanted, Dabangg, Ready, Bodyguard, Ek Tha Tiger, Dabangg 2, Jai Ho, Kick, Bajrangi Bhaijaan, Sultan, Tubeless, Tiger Zinda Hai and Race 3. Controversies. In 1999, the actor was accused of poaching endangered wild animals after allegedly shooting a rare black antelope near Jodhpur, while he shooting for the film Hum Saath Saath Hain. Later, in April 2018, Salman was found guilty in the case and was sentenced to 5 years imprisonment by the Jodhpur court. On the night of 28 September 2002, Salman drove his car over the people sleeping on the pavement in an area of North Bombay. One man died in that incident while 3 got severely injured. In the year 2008, Salman Khan became a controversial figure when he had a serious argument and fight with Shah Rukh Khan at Katrina Kaif's birthday party. After Sushant Singh Rajput committed suicide on 14 June 2020, a debate over nepotism in the film industry was ignited on social media, with many claiming that outsiders were treated as outcasts by the Bollywood Privilege Club. Salman was one among the lot who were accused of nepotism in the industry. Abhinav Kashyap, Sona Mohapatra and Sonu Nigam were among the few who took the jibe over the actor. Filmmaker Abhinav Kashyap went ahead and termed Salman Khan's charitable initiative Being Human just a show off, and alleged that in the name of the charity they do money laundering. Awards. Salman has a number of awards, honors and achievements to his credit. His most significant achievements include Filmfare and the National Film Awards for his blockbuster movies. In the year 1990, Salman received the Best Male Debut Filmfare Award for Maine Pyar Kiya. He also has been rewarded with the Best Supporting Actor Award for Kuch Kuch Hota Hai at Filmfare Awards. Bhaijan was also felicitated with the Best Children Film Award for movie Chiller Party in 2012. And his movie Bajrangi Bhaijaan won the National Film Award for the Best Popular Film, providing wholesome entertainment. Apart from the above, Khan has also received Rajiv Gandhi Award for Outstanding Achievement in Entertainment. Time celebrates awards Star of the Year in 2013 and Times of India Film Award for Best Actor of Bajrangi Bhaijaan. Car and Bikes Collection. Salman Khan has a huge love for automobiles and has an incredible collection of bikes and cars. Khan likes to go green and is very often seen cycling on the streets of Mumbai. He owns the Giant Propel 2014 bicycle that cost 4.32 lakhs. Not just a bicycle, Salman Khan also loves bikes, and his collection includes Suzuki Intruder M1800RZ limited edition motorbike and Suzuki Hayabusa. He also owns a lot of luxury vehicles that include fancy sedans and SUVs. His car collection includes Lexus LX 470, Mercedes-Benz GL Class, BMW X5, Range Rover Vogue, BMW X6, Audi R8, Audi Q7, W21 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Khan is also the owner of luxury yacht worth 3 crore which he often uses for his private parties and family getaways. Property assessed. Salman owns a 150 crore farmhouse in Panvel that has 3 bungalows, a swimming pool, a gym, domestic animals and 5 horses. Salman's home in Galaxy Apartments Bandra is one of the iconic homes in Mumbai. The apartment is valued at Rs 16 crores. He has also bought the 11th floor of the Uber luxury apartment complex at Triplex Flat Bandra. The apartment cost more than 30 crores. Though the flat is still under construction, rumor is that Salman will shift to his flat with family once it completes. Not just this, the actor also owns a 5 BHK farmhouse at Gorai Beach that is spread over 100 acres. The farmhouse encloses a gym, swimming pool and theatre hall. Salary and net worth. With a net worth of around 300 million, Salman gets paid more than 60 crore per film. For hosting a single episode of TV reality show, he charges rupees 12-14 crores, which makes around rupees 95 to 100 crores a week. Favorite things. Salman Khan is a gourmet and enjoys eating Chinese food, spicy Italian food, pav bhaji, chicken, biryani, mutton kebab and home cooked food. He also loves to eat Mughlai and North Indian food. Salman is a huge admirer of Sai Lester Stall and Dilip Kumar, Govinda and Hema Malini. He is an all-rounder and loves swimming, cycling, painting and writing. Sunidhi Chauhan and Sonu Nigam are his most liked singers. Salman's most visited restaurant is China Garden in Mumbai. His favorite colors are black, white and grey. He loves having iced tea and Sitaphal ice cream. He likes to wear Obsession perfume. He loves having iced tea and Sitaphal ice cream. He likes to wear Obsession perfume. His favorite sport is swimming. The cricketers he likes the most are Sachin Tendulkar, Imran Khan, Harbhajan Singh, Yuvraj Singh and Ashish Nehra. He loves to listening to a song Jab Hum Jawan by Shabir Kumar. BMW, Mercedes-Benz and Toyota Land Cruiser are his choice of cars. The brand he likes to wear the most are Armani and Gianni Versace. His favorite director is Suraj Brajatia. Facts about Salman Khan. Salman was offered a negative role in Abbas Mastan's Bazigar, which is refused. The role later went on to Shah Rukh Khan and the movie became a blockbuster. Dabangg Khan has a strong belief in lucky gemstones. He never forgets to put in turquoise stone bracelet both and off screen. He has a huge obsession for soaps, especially the natural fruit and vegetable extracts cleansers. So his bathroom is always filled with a variety of them. When Khan was shooting for the film London Dreams, his cast and crew got tired of eating continental food. So he specially flew his cook all the way from Mumbai to London to cook up biryani for all of them. Salman Khan's wax statue was immortalized at Madame Tussauds Museum in London. A restaurant named Bhaijaan's has been set up in Mumbai by one of his fans. The interiors of the restaurant have been decorated with his posters and also of his favorite dishes are on the menu. Salman himself painted the painting of Zoya while shooting for Tiger Zinda Hai, as the crew was busy with the arrangements. He also painted the poster of his movie Jai Ho. Interestingly, Khan does not have an email ID in his own name. This is because he prefers to communicate verbally on phone than through emails. He gave to his voice to the animated character Hanuman for the film Hanuman, the Damdar. In the year 2015, Salman left behind Barack Obama in the list of the most admired personalities of the India. His favorite cricketers include Sachin Tendulkar and Imran Khan. His blood group is B+. His film Sultan was the 10th film to have entered the 100 crore club. Bhaijaan is also passionate about animals and has 2 pet horses named Bajrangi and Bhaijaan. He also has 2 dogs whom he lovingly calls My Son and My Jaan. Apart from acting, Salman has outstanding hosting skills. He made Bigg Boss Season 4 a huge success with his exemplary hosting and then continued to host the other seasons of the show as well. Aamir Khan is much impressed by his painting skills and has many paintings made by Salman at his home. During an interview in 2011, Salman disclosed that he is suffering from trigeminal neuralgia, a chronic pain condition affecting the trigeminal nerve in the face, also commonly known as suicide disease. He also said that disease has made his voice harsher. In 2017, Salman, along with the residents of Galaxy Apartment, raised an issue over the bandstand toilet being built by the BMC. According to them, having toilets in the area crowded by joggers and walkers will create unhygienic conditions for them. When he, along with his family, was invited at the Kapil Sharma show in 2019, his father disclosed that in order to pass the exam, Salman used to buy leaked papers. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to ring the bell icon to get latest updates from our channel.